In this video, we will demonstrate on how to take apart the manual Mc-711. Start by removing the rear panels by using a Phillips screwdriver. After removing the two rear panels, we will go ahead and take apart the left and right frames. This is done by removing 6 pieces of 10mm bolts, as shown, that attaches the frame to the body of machine. Some of the bolts are of different lengths, so please make note of where each set of bolts belongs to during the reinstall process. You can also remove the base as well at this time. To reinstall, simply reverse the process by installing the base and then the left and right frames. Lastly, reattach the two panels. We also offer touch-up paint at ShaveIceSupplies.com for purchase if you wish to cover up the bolts. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any further questions.